Hey everyone, it's Raj and I'm going to unbox the Amazon Basics Whiteboard which I bought for around 600 rupees. So let's dive right in. Inside the box, we have the whiteboard and accessories in a transparent plastic bag. The surface of the board is smooth and magnetic, perfect for writing notes or posting reminders. The aluminum trim gives it a sleek and durable finish. Here is the instruction on how to set up the board and wall mount it. Just follow the instruction and you will have it up in no time. I temporarily mounted it on my bedroom window and have been using it to teach my 3-year-old kid alphabets and words with picture drawings. The pen tray is a handy addition, keeping your markers and eraser within easy reach. It can be easily attached to or detached from the bottom edge of the board. Along with the whiteboard, we get 6 magnets, 1 eraser and 2 dry erase markers. 1 red and 1 black one. The eraser is also magnetic. You can also use the magnets to hold notes onto any magnetic surface. One thing to note is that if the writing is left on the board for longer durations, like a day, it can be a bit difficult to erase. This might be solved by using a different type of dry erase marker. Overall, the Amazon Basics Whiteboard is a fantastic addition to your home, office, or a classroom. By the way, this board measures 1.96 by 1.47 feet. A larger variant, which is 2.95 by 1.96 feet, is also available on Amazon. You can find both the product links in the video description. Hope the video was useful. Peace.